Okay. As we know that we have two types of inflorescences in the flowering plants, whereas the axis which bears the flowers is peduncle and each flower in inflorescence is called as floret. We know this. I just wanted to do the differences between racemose and cymose inflorescence so that we have few points which we can discuss extra through this concept video. You can see the differences which you know are there here. Main axis of unlimited growth. We know peduncle continues to grow in racemose, whereas in cymose, peduncle has limited growth and the tip of the peduncle will end up in forming a flower at its terminal position. Second difference, flowers arranged in an acropetal succession. That means older flowers at the base, younger flowers at the growing tip. Flowers arranged in basipetal succession. Peduncle ends up in forming a terminal flower. So any new flower would develop below the terminal flower. That means older flowers at the tip, younger flowers at the lower point of peduncle. Opening of flowers is centripetal. Opening of flowers is centrifugal. This is what I wanted to say you, because there are questions based on even on opening of the flowers. So now we have flowers on racemose peduncle and cymose peduncle is fine. But this is with reference to opening of the flowers. In case of racemose, it is centripetal. What do we mean by centripetal? The opening of the flowers occur from periphery to the center. So if I consider this as center and these are peripheral ends, and if this is peduncle, I have an older flower at the bottom and the younger flower at the tip. Older flower at the bottom, younger flower at the tip. Naturally, which flower will open first? The one which matures first. So the one flower which appears first will mature. So the older flowers will open first, then the younger flowers will open. So how is opening of the flowering occurring? From periphery to the center. Because when you see from the tip of the racemose individual, we see the older flowers are more exteriorly situated than younger flowers at the tip. So from periphery to the center is centripetal, whereas cymose is centrifugal. Now if this is the peduncle of the cymose, then this is terminal flower and these are young flowers. What is the older one? The first one. Naturally this will open first and then these two will open, the lower end fresh flowers. So the opening of the flower occurs from center to periphery. Centripetal is from periphery to center. Centrifugal is first center then periphery. You can easily remember cymose central flower first, racemose central flower last. This is pattern of opening of flowers in these inflorescences. Oldest flower at the base, oldest flower at the top. So is the development. Wherever we have the oldest flower, from there the opening starts. As they mature first is the point. Okay.